Investing in the stock market? Read this first. Investing in the stock market can seem to be an overwhelming prospect at first. There are many different variables to consider, and there is also always the chance that you might lose money. This piece offers some great ideas for making smart decisions and generating real profits. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind, you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. There are many ways that you can divide the stock market. The most common ways are by sector, types of growth patterns, and company size via their market capitalization. You may also see other investors talking about other aspects like small cap versus large cap stocks, technology versus energy stocks, etc. Choose the best broker for your needs. There are two kinds of brokers, the first being a traditional or full-service broker. They will work personally with you, offering investment advice and handling your portfolio. The second type is a discount broker who will execute your orders, but won't offer any sort of advice. While a traditional broker charges a higher commission, they are often the best choice for a first-time investor. As you can now see, there are quite a few ways to achieve stock market success. Just be sure to research those options and remain calm, so that you can see increased profits. By following the suggestions in the above video, you will soon be making money. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.